Hey guys, I've got a quick tip for you today, especially for those of you working with transparent videos. Whether you're creating motion graphics, animations, or anything that requires a clean, transparent background, this tip will save you a lot of time and hassle when exporting. So let's jump straight into it. Before you export a transparent video, the first thing you want to check is that there are no background layers in your project. To do this, click on the Toggle Transparency Grid icon. If you see a checkered pattern in the background, that means the video is transparent and you're good to go for export. By default, After Effects will export the entire timeline, but you can select just a portion of it. To do this, move the time indicator to where you want your export to start, then press B on the keyboard to set the in point. Next, move to where you want the export to end and press N to set the out point. Now you've selected just the part of the timeline you want to export. To start the export process, go to File and click Export, then select Add to Render Queue, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+M. Once in the render queue, click on the blue text next to Output Module. In the window that pops up, choose the format QuickTime, then click on Format Options. Here, set the video codec to animation, then click OK. Now, make sure Channels is set to RGB plus alpha. The plus alpha setting is crucial because it includes the transparency data in your video. Once that's set, click OK. Next to Output to, click on the blue text, choose your output folder and give your video a name. Once you're happy with everything, click Save, then hit Render. Now open the folder you selected and you'll find your transparent video. Just a heads up, you won't be able to preview the video with standard players. However, when you add it back into After Effects, Premiere or other editing software like OBS Studio, it will play perfectly with the transparent background. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video and that it helped you out. Please check out some of my other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content. Thanks again, and I'll see you next Friday. Also, I'm thinking about starting a Patreon, but I'll let you know all about that in an upcoming video. Stay tuned.